Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we bring you the future before it arrives. Today, we are talking about something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Ford Futuristic concept truck and RV hybrid, a machine that looks like it rolled straight off a science fiction movie set and into our reality. If you are watching this for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell, because content like this does not come around every day. Now, let us get right into it. When you first lay eyes on this beast, your brain honestly struggles to process what it is seeing. The 2026 Ford concept truck is unlike anything the automotive world has ever seen. At the front, you are greeted by that iconic Ford oval badge, sitting proudly on a massive, angular front fascia that is wrapped in electric blue LED accent lighting. The headlight strips and lower grille trim glow with an intense neon blue, giving it a look that is both aggressive and futuristic at the same time. It almost looks alive, like the truck is staring right back at you. Moving along the sides, this is where things get really interesting. This is not just a truck, it is a truck combined with a luxury motorhome body. The rear section rises up into a massive, aerodynamically sculpted RV-style cabin with curved silver paneling and dark accent windows. The profile is swooping, smooth, and deliberately oversized to communicate power and presence. Every angle has been thought out with precision. The chrome silver finish on the upper body reflects light in a way that makes this vehicle shimmer as it moves, catching the eye from incredible distances. The wheel arches are enormous, housing what appear to be 8 massive custom chrome wheels, 4 on each side, each one uniquely designed with a layered, turbine-style finish. These wheels do not just look good, they communicate that this truck can carry immense weight while maintaining total stability on any surface. The low-slung stance paired with those monster wheels gives this vehicle a road presence that is simply unmatched. Nothing else on the highway is going to make this truck feel small. At the rear, the motorhome section continues the futuristic design language with clean lines, rounded edges, and what appear to be panoramic window openings. The combination of the silver body and the glowing blue lighting at the front creates a visual contrast that is visually stunning. Ford has taken the boldest design risks we have ever seen from the brand, and honestly it paid off completely. Now, interior details on a concept vehicle like this are always exciting because Ford tends to dream big. Based on the design philosophy shown on the exterior, we are expecting the 2026 Ford concept to feature a command center-style cockpit for the driver. Think floating touchscreens, ambient LED lighting that mirrors the exterior blue accents, premium leather or vegan leather seating, and a fully digital instrument cluster that puts everything you need right in front of your eyes. The RV cabin at the rear is expected to offer a fully livable space. We are talking about a kitchenette, sleeping quarters, a lounge area, and potentially even a bathroom. This is a vehicle that is built for the long haul, quite literally. The ceiling heights inside that rear cabin are expected to be generous, allowing passengers to stand comfortably. Smart home integration, wireless connectivity, and climate control systems are all expected to be standard. This is not just a truck, this is a home on wheels that happens to be one of the most visually striking vehicles ever put on 4 tires. Under that massive hood, Ford is keeping tight lips on the full powertrain details, but the expectation is that this concept is built around a hybrid or fully electric powertrain setup. Given the sheer size and weight of this vehicle combining a heavy-duty truck frame with a full motorhome body, we are likely looking at a dual or tri-motor electric setup producing somewhere in the range of 800 to 1,200 horsepower. Torque figures could realistically exceed 1,000 pounds of T, giving this truck the pulling power needed to handle a loaded trailer while carrying a full RV cabin on its back. Range on a vehicle of this size will be a major talking point. Ford would need to pack an enormous battery pack, potentially 200 kilowatt-hours or more, to deliver a meaningful range for long-distance travel. Towing capacity, given the platform, could realistically challenge current heavy-duty diesel trucks, potentially exceeding 30,000 pounds. Air suspension, adaptive damping, and all-wheel drive would be expected as standard features, ensuring that this truck handles everything from smooth highways to rough terrain with ease. Now, let us talk about the most important question: what is it going to cost you? As a concept vehicle, Ford has not released official pricing, but we can make some very educated estimates. A production version of a vehicle like this combining cutting-edge electric technology, a luxury motorhome body, and bespoke design would likely start somewhere in the range of $180,000 to $250,000 for a base configuration. Higher trim levels with expanded battery options, upgraded interior packages, and advanced driver assistance systems could push that figure well past $300,000. For context, current luxury motorhome vehicles start at similar price points, and when you factor in the performance, technology, and exclusivity of a Ford electric supertruck concept, the price tag becomes a lot easier to justify for the target audience. This is a vehicle aimed at the premium end of the market, people who want the best of everything and are willing to pay for it. So there you have it, the 2026 Ford Futuristic concept truck in all its breathtaking glory. This is a vehicle that pushes every boundary, challenges every convention, and proves that Ford still has the vision and the boldness to dream on the largest possible scale. Whether this makes it to full production or remains a dazzling concept is something we will be watching very closely here at MH Car Review. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy this truck? What price point would make sense to you? We want to hear everything. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow car lover, and we will see you in the next one. Stay tuned, the future is just getting started.